5 Fun Facts about dogs. Number 1. They are the most popular pet on the planet. A third of all households around the world have a dog. These playful, friendly, loyal animals make great companions, but they can also be fierce and tough protectors, or intelligent helpers. Number 2, they evolved from a now extinct species of wolf. Dogs were the first animal domesticated by humans, over 20,000 years ago. As they evolved from wolves, their skulls, teeth and paws shrank, and they became more docile and obedient. Isn't that interesting? Number 3. They can learn over 100 words and gestures. Dogs are thought to be as smart as 2-year-old children, and so many owners teach them commands and tricks. Number 4. Dog noses are at least 40,000 more sensitive than ours. These clever canines have an incredible sense of smell, allowing them to follow scent trails days after they were left. Amazingly, bloodhound sense of smell is so spot on that it can be used as evidence in court. And lastly, number 5. Many work as assistance dogs, helping humans. Many dogs are trained to work as guide dogs, helping blind people get around safely. Others are assistance dogs, who keep their owners calm and safe.